Hello everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Smart Phasey channel. Today, I am going to share my daily routine in English. These are simple sentences that you can also use every day to improve your English. So let's begin. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is thank God for giving me a new day. Then I make my bed and open the windows to let in some fresh air. After that, I go to the washroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Next, I drink a glass of water and do some morning exercise to stay active and healthy. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts while stretching. It helps me think in English. Then I take a shower and get ready for the day. For breakfast, I eat eggs and bread with a cup of coffee. While eating, I check my to-do list and plan my day. After breakfast, I start my studies or work. I spend my morning learning new things, especially English. I practice speaking, writing, and sometimes watch short English videos on Mr. Smart Phasey. At 1 p.m., I take my lunch break. I usually eat rice, salad, or vegetables. After lunch, I rest for a short while, just to relax a bit. Then I continue my study or work session. I always try to stay focused and avoid using my phone too much. In the evening, I like to go for a walk or do some light exercise. Sometimes I spend time with my friends or read an English storybook. At around 7:30 p.m., I help my mother in the kitchen. We cook dinner together and talk about our day. After dinner, I relax and watch some YouTube videos or English shows to improve my listening. Before sleeping, I write a few lines in my English journal. For example, today I learned 3 new English words. I helped my mom make dinner. It is a simple habit, but it really helps me improve my writing every day. Then I brush my teeth again, say a short prayer, and go to bed around 10:30 p.m. So friends, that was my daily routine in English. Now it's your turn. Try speaking your own daily routine in English every day. Remember, practice makes perfect. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Smart Phasey channel for more fun and simple English lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.